What's going on everyone, and welcome to this video. I want to talk about Osome and almost 2 years using that service now. So in this video I'm going to cover exactly what Osome do, my experience with them, my honest experience with them, and also the services that they offer. So stay tuned. So if you don't know who I am, my name's Hayden. On set for $1 million this year. We sell in the USA and we sell in the UK. I've been using Osome for coming up to around about 2 years now, and my experience has been pretty faultless with them. So let me just explain what they do and how you can sort of utilize their service, because they are one of the sponsors of this channel. I'm quite open about that. They're one of the sponsors of this channel, but if anyone knows me well, you'll know that I won't support a sponsor unless I truly believe in them. My inbox is full to the brim of sponsors trying to reach out to me and offer me a couple of £100 or whatever, or on a monthly basis for videos to post for them, but most of them I turn them down, and that's because I either don't use them or haven't used them in the past. I'm not going to just start, I'm not one of these influencers that is, or whatever, creators that is just going to start selling you anything that comes to my inbox. Okay, I have standards here. Okay, so I genuinely, I hope you understand this, wouldn't promote Osome unless I truly believed in them and actually use them as a service. So let me tell you what sort of services they offer. So you can do the company registration and bank account with them, which is cool. So it's about £12 to set that up. All these links are below, by the way, just letting you know for all the offers that I've got. Or you can do accounting with them on an ongoing basis. They offer mini packages, medium-sized packages, and then large packages to spend depending on how much business you're doing, depending on the size of your company. Within these accounting packages, not only do you get access to an accountant with 24-hour reply time, so you get you get an app as well with Osome. So you've got the live chat on there, as I just mentioned. They reply within 24 hours, or you can speak to them on email. You can also upload all of your receipts with ease to that software as well, or you can send them on email that way. You can also track all of your profit and your data and your analysis of the whole business on there. And actually, the most important thing that Osome do for me and my company is actually take the stress away from our VAT returns and our annual accounting. So all my virtual assistant does, depending on whether you've got a virtual assistant, admin virtual assistant to do this for you, or you'll have to do it yourself. All you have to do is send them your VAT receipts and your receipts throughout the year, and they handle everything else in-house. Now, why it sort of revolutionized my business was that before that, it was a little bit clunky. I was doing most things myself. Most of it was in-house, and it was a lot of admin. I was spending too much of my time doing admin on the business, working in the business, rather than working on the business with growth. And now I've got an admin virtual assistant, I've actually stepped away even more, and I hardly have. I overlook the books now. I overlook the accounting. I overlook the VAT returns to make sure they're correct. If I've got any queries, I will ask them. If I've got any more queries, maybe I'll run it past someone else as well. But generally, I take a step back, I let them do it. I let them do all the work, and that's very powerful. And the reason that Osome has helped me so much in the last couple of years is because they've taken that stress from me so that I can then focus that time on launching products, creating the teams, building the teams, etc., and letting them do all these complex accounting things. Because by the way, guys, you need a specialist when you're selling on Amazon. You need a specialist accountant. That's because you have to pull certain reports from Amazon. You have to do certain things, especially if you're selling overseas. You have to do certain things with your accountancy to ensure that you are doing it correctly, pulling the right reports, making sure that it's the correct product codes, making sure that the products that they're actually claiming, charging you VAT for, are VAT applicable. They've got to go through all the tax codes. There's certain things that you've got to sort out that only a specialist would be able to do. In my experience, I know this to be true because I actually used someone that wasn't a specialist before. That's my bottle sparkling water making noises, and they almost messed me up. They almost messed my accounts up. They didn't even think that the turnover on my Amazon account actually affected my VAT return time of the cap of 86,000, and yeah, I almost got stung really badly there. So that's the importance of having to use a specialist. Would I recommend Osome? Yes, absolutely. I don't think they can be beaten in terms of the price that they offer for a specialist, by the way. Sure, you can go and get a cheaper normal accountant, but as I said, for the reasons I just listed, I personally wouldn't. For the price, I don't think you can beat them. I know a lot of accountancy services have gone up significantly recently, and I mean significantly. They charge, you know, £450 a month, for example. Osome has got beginner plans for around 50 a month. It's got other plans for 120 a month, 176 a month, 200 plus, depending on the business size. So look, if you want to have a chat with them, go and schedule a call below. I've got £100 off link below if you want to grab that, or there's also a link, £12 to set up your company. I hope this video has been useful. I've been using them for over 2 years. Many of my friends use them as well. I can guarantee you, if we didn't believe in them, we wouldn't be using them. So that's cleared that up. So I will see you in the next video. My name's Hayden. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.